The 2024 Volkswagen Amarok will have a lot in common with Ford Ranger. Both models are mid-sized trucks with similar dimensions. Moreover, they have the same underpinnings. In some part of the world, Amarok offers a 2.0-liter turbo diesel engine with 180 HP and 310 lb-ft of torque. Optionally, there is a larger 3.0-liter V6 turbocharged gas engine with 204 horsepower. Some rumors are suggesting a hybrid powertrain, although this is not officially yet. Interior. German manufacturer knows how to build upright cabin. There should not be an exemption for the 2024 Volkswagen Amarok. 5 passengers may fit comfortably, and there is a plenty legroom. There is a sunroof that can be opened by using a button. Standard infotainment is available with excellent connectivity. The touchscreen measures 12 inches. 2024 Volkswagen Amarok Price and Release Date. Right now, the official price of the 2024 Volkswagen Amarok is not available. However, this mid-size truck will cost around $24,000. Some reports are predicting a significant price increase. The sales will begin next fall. So, stay tuned for further info regarding the Amarok pickup truck.